Alright guys, we're back with another 3D print. I'm going to peel it off. Just a little bit of cleanup on this 3D print. We'll take it over to the desk and clean it up. Actually, I'm kind of surprised how clean they came out. I'm gonna probably hit
my paint pens on these and probably paint black around the tire edge here.
This one has some residue on it. This is the actual card holder that's gonna clip on there. We'll see how that works in a minute. Just peel off supports and rim. And this is the title of Parts Director, my position at the Ford dealership. So that should look pretty sharp.
Now,
I had a bigger one I did. You might want to check out in the video. I'll leave a link to it up in the corner of this video. And I motorized the top of the sign. So it was motorized and would turn on its own. But this one is just a manual turning one, just for looks. I had some free time, so I scaled this one down and created a nice unique pen holder sign. I'll leave a link to these a good set of needle nose pliers for peeling your supports and stuff out of these types of prints, as well as this cool file I got here too.
This cool file here.
Just different things like this on the edge of that tire there, on that round. Just file it down quickly. Works really well. It's got different tips in the end right here. Very handy to have for 3D printing. I'll leave that link below. It's got my name here on the back side, so the front side's not going to show my YouTube name, TW HomeShow, so you can show it off like this. And let's see if this is going to fit here, guys. This is the first test fit. I don't know if this sign or this card holder is going to fit. I hope it does. Slide it up in there. Oops, I heard a crack. Oh, it fit, guys. Look at that. Fits right in there. Awesome. I made it so that it fits on the bottom here, and then it's leveled off as it rests down here. And then your sign goes in there like that. And these I'll super glue on here, and then you can put a pin right in here. And that will be your pen holder, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna super glue this on. We're gonna add some white paint pen to the Ford letter logo. So guys, what do you think? This is it. My 2 editions Ford pen signs. This is like a little tire here that the pen goes into. And the Ford sign at the top rotates any position you want. Now on this other one, either one really, I made a card holder, and I found the best way to install this is put the one clip in the one side and then just twist it around and it falls right into place. And you have yourself a nice business card holder, pen holder. Guys, if you like this print, I'll leave the STL files in the description below, as well as the tools that I used in filing this and painting it with paint pens. Makes it very easy to finish. Thank you guys for tuning in to another 3D print video at TW Home Show. I'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, we're back with another 3D print. Peel it off.